Ethereum is currently sitting at 2,900, and what we can see is basically for the last 3 days, Ethereum has been trading between 2,890 and as high as 3,000. So anytime you can get it at 2,900, I think that that's a good play. Swing trading it up to 3,000, but ultimately, in the short term, I do believe that Ethereum will be testing the 200 moving average on the 5-hour chart, which right now is about $3,000. So Ethereum needs to get above that and clear it and hold it to really get back in bullish posture. Right now it's kind of neutral, trying to decide what it wants to do. But if it's going to clear that and get above it, I think it will quickly test the 200 on the daily, which is near 3,600. Ultimately, I've said many times that I do believe that the selling climax is already in for Bitcoin. That doesn't necessarily mean the bottom, but in Wyckoff, your selling climax is the highest volume, and it's also the most oversold on the RSI, which this is the most oversold since the Luna collapse on the daily. Also the highest volume that we've had in over 13 months. So I do believe that the selling climax is in, and we could expect a bit of a relief rally from here. Even in a bear market, it doesn't go straight down forever. And the one thing that I do like about Ethereum, relatively compared to Bitcoin, it's actually held up pretty strong, as it is nowhere near the April lows, where Bitcoin is already pretty close to the April lows, or it got pretty close to the April lows. So I think relatively this speaks to how weak Ethereum has been, but ultimately on the big time frame, all that's really happened is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low again, and we'll see if Ethereum can get going. But the important thing is, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Follow me for more, you savages.